All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and with today's review, I'm going to be reviewing the Torras Guardian series case for my Samsung Galaxy S21. So just to kind of get the two basics out of the way, price first. So price is $18.99 on Amazon with Prime shipping. It does come in black and blue. Obviously this is the black version since I love black cases. Now there is a 5% off instant coupon that you can apply on Amazon today. I'm sure it'll be there forever, but at least as of today, the 18th, it is on there still. And I will be putting my affiliate links down in the description. So if you do want to buy this case after watching this video, please do so. Follow those links because you would be supporting my channel if you do. So big thank you and big shout out to whoever does that. Now, as far as the actual unboxing goes, pretty simple box, nothing fancy. Just a white box with some orange here and nothing on this side except an orange logo. Got the Torras branding here, simple but unique. And then kind of like this ghost logo there. And then on the back, nothing really to just kind of point out. They kind of pat themselves on the back with some of the stuff here, talking about like worry-free quality product and worldwide happy users and 10+ years of concentration. So not really sure about all that. And then as far as here, it does say that their packaging comes from environment-friendly materials with soy ink printed. So they just kind of talk about that. So as far as the unboxing goes, it's pretty simple. Just kind of pop it here. I've been really wanting to do a case review on this brand because I see them all the time on Amazon, and I've been getting a few people talk to me about it. You know, why haven't you done one of these if you're looking for a slim case review? So hopefully this helps you with your buying decision. So as far as this goes, you got this little card here, says, let's start a wonderful journey. On the back, it does just kind of talk about if you want to share your experience on Amazon, you can go on there and basically review the case. Little foam pad there. But let's go ahead and just get it out of the packaging here. So as far as the case goes, there it is. So it's the black version, like I said. So it's a matte black, semi-transparent case, as you can see here. Now focusing on the inside of the case, on each corner you do have some bumper protection or little corner protection there. They call it their X shock. So it's basically going to help with corner protection when you drop the case, if you do. And then in the inside, it does have this like matte finish throughout, just kind of matching the actual bumper of the actual case. So let's go ahead and slap in the phone and let's see how it looks actually on my Phantom Gray. And there is the actual case installed on the phone. So as you can see here, it is this matte finish, black material here, but it is, well, once it's on the phone, you actually don't see anything. So you don't see the Samsung logo or nothing like that. So it is completely covering all that, but it is, like I said, just kind of this matte color, very soft to the touch, very smooth. And then the bumpers are a little bit darker black, but they are still smooth as well. Now, as far as the actual bump around the camera bump, you do have some raised lips. As you can see, they're the contrasting color. It matches the actual bumper material. But like I said, they did go with this design here. So you do have a little bit of that design where you're showing off the new cut of the camera bump, but then you have this half circle here for the flash. But those raised lips are going to be able to help protect the lenses and all that from little bumps and bruises if you do put it back down on any surface. So let's go ahead and do the shake test. So no shake at all actually with this particular case. And one reason too, I think, is because with the actual border of the back of the phone, you do have some raised lips as well. So whenever you're holding the phone, you'll be able to feel those lips right there. But as far as that goes, like I said, you do have raised lips on the back of the device. And I think that's what's helping from it being so wobbly on the back, because I think they match as far as the depth goes. Now, as far as the side goes, once again, like I said, it is this very nice, smooth, matte black material, but you do have some raised buttons here. So you have a raised power button and a raised volume up and down button, very easy to find. And then going down to the bottom, you do have a precise cutout here for your mic and USB Type-C port and speaker grills. And then moving over to this side, obviously no Bixby buttons, but you do have some Torras branding there, so very minimal. And then at the top, you do have 2 dedicated cutouts for the mics up top. So all in all, pretty dang nice and smooth so far. Now let's talk about the front. So as you can see here up against my fingers, you do have some raised lips all around the front of the phone. And once again, that's obviously going to help with drop protection and placing it face down. And there is no shake at all with it being face down with those lips. So definitely going to help. Now this case is 4x military drop standard. So it is very slim, as you can see here, very, very slim, but you are getting some really nice and good drop protection out of it. So definitely a pretty nice little case, but like I said, it is very smooth. So that is something I want to point out. Like, I didn't know how smooth it was or this type of material. But at the end of the day, it's nothing that I don't like. I actually don't mind it. But when it comes to like a smooth case like this, it does feel so good in the hands. Just something about me, I just prefer more of like I don't mind it on the sides, but I prefer a different material on the back. That's just me. But like I said, just be prepared when you get it out of the case or out of the box, you're gonna feel the smoothness that I'm talking about. Now let's go ahead and do a couple of different tests as we usually do on my videos. So let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. So let's see how responsive the buttons are. So we'll start with the power button and volume up and down. So the buttons easily pass the clicky button test. So they are very clicky, very responsive. So definitely love that. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do the Qi wireless charging test here. So I have my Qi wireless charger. So let's go ahead and slap it on and see how that does. So instantly recognizes that it is on my Qi wireless charger. Obviously, I assumed that it would automatically recognize that it was on a Qi wireless charger since it is so slim and semi-transparent. So no issues at all there. So there is the Torras Guardian Series case, guys. So if you're looking for a slim case that feels very good in the hand, has this very smooth texture, which like I said, I have a love-hate relationship with this type of material. But at the end of the day, it is anti-fingerprint. Technically it is anti-smudge, which I love, especially for my OCD, and I'm always wiping down my phones. There is no smudging going on, but that is to be determined over time. But after the whole day that I've had outside and goofing around outside all day, no smudges at all so far, so I love that. So for the money, being under 20 bucks with Prime shipping, it's definitely worth a look if you are looking for a slim, semi-transparent case. So if you liked the video, guys, you know what to do. Hit that like button. If you loved it, I would really appreciate you to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. Be safe out there, and we will see you on the next one.